Hi guys, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about some things that we want to change to make this class a little better for you. One of the things we're going to do, first of all, for this unit, for Chapter 2, Ms. Dudley's going to finish the PowerPoint. I think there's only about 4 or 5 slides left, and then you're going to start the Unit 2 packet. Last class, we had problems with people just kind of blowing through this. I need you to take it seriously because I need a real score for you instead of just going in and giving you a score for doing the work. I also need you to remember when you're doing the step-by-step activities, you need to upload them so I can grade them. Now, one of the things that Ms. Dudley and I have agreed on is about half of you are kind of bored with following along the PowerPoints and doing the work. We were doing that because you don't have a textbook and your screens are so small, it's hard to do a split screen. But what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead early and open up Lesson 3. Those of you who feel like you can do really well with Lesson 3, I'm going to let you go ahead and get started on it. You can do a split screen. You've been shown 2 different ways to do that now, one through the book and one through one of your classmates. And unless the screen's too small for you, I want you to give it a try. So those of you who feel you still need the PowerPoint step-by-step guidance to get through the chapter exercises, that will be available to you. For those of you who feel like you can move on your own a little faster and a little better, then I'm going to give you that option. I want to try it for Chapter 3. I want you to talk to Ms. Dudley about how that works. You can send me a message. Whatever you want to do, that will let us know how we're going to move forward with the next units. Remember, this is a new class, so I'm seeing it for the first time too. And finding that medium, that way to make it easier for you and better for you and more beneficial for you, that's what I'd like to do. In one of my readings this week, we were talking about how to help your generation of kids learn better, okay? And one of the things that we get pushed to do a lot is collaborate, which means working together, and pushing those 21st century skills. One of the books I was reading asked a Google executive, what does she look for in an employer? And this is what she says. The people need to be good at what they are being hired to do. For instance, if writing code or doing finance, they need to be good in those areas. But we also expect everyone to be a leader. Someone will take control of the situation versus waiting to be led. People who are successful at Google also have a bias towards action. You see something that's broken and you fix it. You are smart enough to spot problems, but you don't whine about them and wait for someone else to fix them. You ask, how can I make this better? And in collaboration, it's so essential to everything that we do. We prize the ability to recognize and learn from people around you, and you are very different kinds of expertise. The book goes on to talk about how it doesn't matter if you're an artist or if you're into liberal arts or if you're into finance or what you are, they all work together to make it work better for the company. And so whatever you're passionate about, that's what you pursue. All of it. There were stories about kids who were more interested in art and how their success stories of being entrepreneurs and things because they followed their passion. They followed something that they were really interested about. As we learn more about this, I want to encourage you to do as much as possible to learn to use it. I don't want you to just be able to answer test questions. I want you to actually be able to walk out of the room and have a new skill that you can take with you to a future job. I just wanted to share that with you this week because I was reading it and I just kept thinking about you guys, and I know how boring it is to sit in a classroom and wait and wait and wait and wait for the next activity. So let's try this in the next chapter. Let's let those who think they can work ahead give it a try, and those who think they need the PowerPoint, you're going to have it. It's going to be there for you just like it was before because you don't have the textbook, and that's the easiest way for us to get it for you in large print. So take care. I'm doing well. I'll probably do a video for you in the next couple of days. I just wanted to say hi and let you know we're doing okay. Thanks. Bye.